Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. This is Shilpa Patil here. Children, as we have started our social studies chapter number 5, Go Green. This is the second part of this chapter. In this video, we are going to learn about the overpopulation or problems that Mother Earth faces today. First of all, overpopulation. At present, the population of the world has crossed 6 billion. It is estimated by 2025 the world population will cross the 8 billion mark. The resources available to us are limited, whereas our needs keep increasing. Means whatever things we have that are very limited, but as the population will increase, that way our needs also will increase. What are the things people obtain by exploiting nature? You have to write any one or two things about it. Now we are going to learn about the pollution. Trees are cut down to provide land, houses, furniture and fuel. As we have seen in the previous video also, how people are cutting down the trees and making their houses, and that wood also useful for the making paper, furniture and fuel. With that, running vehicles give out smoke that adds to air pollution. जो भी vehicles चलते हैं उनका जो smoke बाहर निकलता है उससे air pollution बढ़ता है. Factories emit smoke and pollute air. With that, as the vehicles are more and more running on the road and making air pollution, that way factories also are emitting smoke and that way the air get polluted. The waste generated from the factories are dumped in the rivers. Whatever waste things are there, waste materials are there which are made from the factories but not useful, that also they are dumping in the river. That way water pollution can be created. Soil. This way factories are throwing the waste material in the water bodies, and this way whatever the ocean animals are there like the fishes, they are going to die. Soil is polluted because of dumping. This way factories are throwing out their waste material in the water bodies. Waste material like the plastics, carry bags, each and everything. And as in the water bodies it is not available, so soil also they are throwing on the roads, and that way soil pollution will be there. Soil is polluted because of dumping of plastics and other waste materials. We are progressing, but we should also know how our behavior affects the earth. हम प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमें ये भी देखना चाहिए कि जिस तरह से हम प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं उसका इफेक्ट अर्थ पे कैसा होता है. नेचर हैज़ गिवन अस सो much more many things nature has provided us, like the wood or whatever things we are using in the daily routine life, like our clothes also we are getting from the nature. It is our duty to protect the earth. We see people dumping waste on the roads. See, this is our mother earth and we only have to save it. That way nature has given us so many things and it is our duty to protect our earth. We see people dumping waste on the roads or in public places like this. Everything that we need is now in colorfully packaged. This way we are using the carry bags or the packets, colorful packets, and eatable food also we are bringing in this only. these packages add to the garbage. But the biggest problem is the overuse of plastics and their wrong disposal. We are using these plastics but we are not disposing in a proper way. हम प्लास्टिक यूज़ तो कर रहे हैं लेकिन उसको डिस्पोज नहीं कर रहे हैं, मिटा नहीं रहे हैं. That way, that is the biggest problem today, that we are overusing it. Plastics are synthetic materials obtained from petroleum. They can be molded into variety of shapes. These are the plastics. These are materials obtained from petroleum. They can be molded in any way. Like this, we can make many things from the plastic. Plastic is inexpensive, light, strong and easy to manufacture. ये लाइट भी होता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग भी होता है और बहुत कम पैसे में अवेलेबल होता है और इसका मैन्युफैक्चर भी बहुत इजी से हो जाता है. It has replaced paper and cloth bags as packing materials and carry bags. If you ask your grandparents or parents, that way they were using their own cloth bag or the paper bags for bringing anything from the market. But nowadays, as plastic bags are available, easily available anywhere, they are using these kinds of carry bags. Children, you should not be more single-use plastic bags. Pay for a paper or reusable bag, otherwise you can bring your own bag in the market. This way, anything from the plastic we can make. These items also are may be useful or used at your home, but you have to choose which one would you like to select. If we do not dispose plastic bags and other things made of plastic properly, it increases pollution. As you know, children, if we do not dispose these kinds of plastic bags or the bottles or whatever material made from the plastic, if it not disposed in a proper way, it can be increase kinds of pollution. Land gets littered and looks dirty. Will you like to see our oceans like these? No, not at all. City drains get blocked, leading to diseases. Because of that, many kind of diseases can be occur, like the cancer, birth defects, genetic changes, impaired immune function, diabetes, obesity, skin diseases, deafness, vision failure, diarrhea, nausea and headache. Or the list is going on more and more. More and more diseases also can be occur due to use of plastic carry bags or plastic only. Fertility of the soil decreases as plants are growing in the soil, but as these kinds of sewage if disposed in the soil, that way it can be effect on the plant. And vegetables as we are eating nowadays, that also will be mixed with the or can be grow with the carry bags or plastic bags. As you have seen, maybe animals eat plastic bags. आपने देखा है कभी ऐसा पिक्चर? Yes, many of the times, and get choked to death. If our cows or any kind of animal eats or these plastic went in their stomach, that way they choked or get choked to death. Choked means cannot breathe easily or in a proper way. Fish and other sea animals also choke on the plastic that are dumped into the seas and ocean. We can see or we can say the new food chain likewise. Microplastics whatever dumped in the oceans can be eat by the fish, and we are eating fish. That way this kind of microplastic can be goes in our stomach. It will be harmful for us also and can be occur many kind of diseases. Children, we have learnt many of the things that how the plastic bags or the carry bags are not good for our health also, for animals also, and it creates pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and also if we are burning it, it creates air pollution. It is our duty, children, that we have to save our mother earth, avoid using plastic carry bags. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope all of you understand this video.